Hello! Hey guys, welcome to Assembled, Season 2, Episode 6. This one is officially halfway.
Yeah, now we're halfway.
That was kind of a shock to me last week. I didn't know we were going to 12 episodes. Apparently I missed the memo.
She did know this.
I guess I did. I just didn't put two and two together, so...
Because we actually sat and counted out weeks when we started this whole process.
And she said we're going to end at convention, and my little lame brain said, oh, that'll be Season 3. No, this one's still going. Let's just not talk about my brain. Okay, this week we are going to use the Bloomburst stamp set, which will be very interesting depending on what we draw. We may or may not have something to color it with.
And this is one both of us have used and done multiple cards with. So it could be really interesting.
It could be. Not. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to draw for the color first. All right, let's just rich coral. I can handle that. Okay. Rich coral. That's kind of an orangey red color, really a red color.
Yeah, it's just a warm red, basically.
A warm red. Yes, you should know that, color theorist. Theorist. Which are you? Do you want to draw? Okay, here we go. We're drawing for our... Wait, you have to show me first.
Pan pastels.
Oh, pan pastels will be awesome with the hydrangea.
Stencils.
Stencils.
And I didn't bring my stencils with me this week.
I have two.
Normally I have
You'll be good.
A whole stack of stuff that I bring.
Pan pastels, stencils.
Twine.
Twine?
And it's actual twine, not ribbon.
You know, it can be whatever Becky interprets it to be.
Because Becky cheats.
Well, I try not to. What's this one?
Pearl sequins and drops.
Pearl sequins and drops! Yes! All right, guys. So we are using the Bloomburst stamp set. We have to incorporate the color rich coral. And then we're going to use pearl sequins and drops, pan pastels, stencils, and twine. We're good, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now I'm trying to...
Do you want to tell them about your headphones?
Oh, so we heard your comments last week about how we were kind of hard to hear with stuff. So on mine this week, I'm going to be trying something new. I'm going to use my headset that has a little mic on it and see if maybe you can hear me a little bit clearer over there. So if you could leave us comments telling us whether or not you can hear me clearer on my video. So,
because we're really trying to work that out. We understand that we're both ends of the table, and we're streaming live simultaneously on both of our channels. So you are going to hear both of us. We're just trying to figure out how to best make it.
And we don't want to like separate into separate rooms or anything like that, because then of course you guys miss us talking back and forth and kind of the banter with that.
Yeah.
So, which is part of it. So we're just trying to figure out the best way to do that. And so, like I said, if you could, when you watch my video today, if you're watching live or if you're watching after the fact, watching the recorded version, if you just leave us a comment and let us know if that seems to help a little bit or not.
Yeah, and then we'll figure out whether or not we both need to put the microphones on, if it helps or not. So,
yeah.
All right, we are going to go gather up our supplies. So we're going to turn you around. And you can have a look at the beautiful sunny day, finally.
Yeah, it's like 80-something degrees out there already.
It's like it gets
We go from winter straight to...
I have this stencil, and then I have two more in my basket. I have the dots and the flowers. I'm going to choose the dots. Well, I think I did dots before. You can use dots when I'm done if you want to. Rich coral. There we go. See? Rich coral. It's a beautiful color. Here's yours. Sequins, pearls, and drops. Okay. Sequins. I have Christmas sequins. Will those work for you?
Christmas sequins.
Christmas with snowflakes and red. And then I have these.
Not with rich coral.
Oh, come on, look on the edge. All right, so you know where all my sequins and or my drops and sparkles and stuff are up here. So yeah. Okay, so let's figure out what we're gonna do. We don't really have a purple, do we? Oh yeah. Just kidding.
You sure about that?
No, I'm not, to be honest with you. Not at all.
I'm just going to take all your colors.
Yeah, let's just bring them all over here because I really am not positive what I need to put in there. Because if I end up with red. All right, do you need some tools?
No, I'm just cutting down this rich coral.
Oh my gosh, how do you know where to start? All right.
You don't.
You don't.
You just start.
All right, I'm ready. I'm going to turn you guys around and we're going to get started.
Do you want a card front size piece?
Oh, yes, please. Thank you. Because I don't even know what I'm going to do with it yet.
Neither do I.